never felt something so strong.
Hello there guys, you all welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is about fashion, lifestyle, entertainment, beauty, DIY and what have you. Alright, but before I continue, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for being part of the SJS vlog family, and you are warmly welcome. Alright, so today's video, as the title says, today is all about unboxing and reviewing of the Zomei 14-inch ring light. So I've actually been using natural sunlight for quite a while now, and normally when it's cloudy and you really want to shoot a video, you can't because it's going to be dark in the room. So I got this as a gift from a special someone after my birthday, and I decided to share the unboxing with you all and see how it's like. So it has the specs and everything are in there. I'm going to be showing you guys how it's like, and I'm actually loving the new look. I don't know if you guys love it, but this is the ring light now, and this is what we are going to be using, family. This is what the SJS family has now, and we are going to use it to the fullest. So let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so let's get right into the video. So this is how the ring light looks like in box, as in when it comes brand new in box. I haven't actually opened it yet, so let's unbox this and see what's inside. Yay, I got it from Zomei, and I can't wait to use this. I haven't actually used the ring lights for my videos before, as I said. So you have this, and you have this, the charger or something like that. I don't know what this is used for, but this is a foam. And the most important aspect of it, it's the tripod. So you have a tripod, so you have this, the charger, and that. So guys, this is the tripod. We have it here. It's amazing. I don't know how to use this, but we'll see what we're gonna do about that. So let me put the box somewhere. Yay! So this is it. This is the ring light, 14-inch ring light. So we got this from skikakope, yeah, which is inside a Chimota. It's an online shop. So I got this from skikakope, and it's affordable. It's a 14-inch ring light, and which is from Zomei. I've heard of Zomei a whole lot of times, but I think this is my first time using their products, and I hope it's going to be great. Okay, so there is a manual here. What teaches you on how to use everything. And there is this I think pictures of another their products, and there's this inside. I don't know what that is. Okay, there's nothing in here. There is absolutely nothing in here, but it's beautiful. At least I could put a few jewelries into it. Sure, so there is nothing in the box again. There's nothing in the bag again. Sure, so we have our ring lights here. And so let's get right to it. Let's see how this thing is going to be done. So this would be in here, as the manual said. I got it from the manual, so let's see how that goes about. Okay, so it took me a while to get this done, so this was off, this part was off, so I had to fix it up, and I attached the tripod to it, yeah, and ta-da! I don't know how this part works, but it looks like I have to oh my god, how does this thing work? The lower part, I seriously don't know how that works, but oh my god, Okay, so there it goes. This is how it's like. Yep. And I don't know. So guys, this is how the tripod looks like. Did I say tripod? This is the ring light in full. Sure, this is it. So how do you enclose this? Oh my god, I think I need to learn this. So this is everything. This is it, guys. This is the ring light. Okay, so you can increase you can open this to increase its length or something like that. Sure. And this is the pad where you can put your phone. Let me bring it down a little bit for you guys to see. So this is the phone holder, what you use for the videos. Sure guys, so this beautiful one is from, and I checked it online and it has 168 bulbs or something like that. Sure, it has 168. Everything is inside this manual, everything you want to get. So this is affordable, and this is how it's going to be like. So let's turn it on. So basically this is what is in the box. I was supposed to get another light filter, but I couldn't get it, so I don't know how that is being done, by the way. And amazingly, we have this place to, if you don't have the tripod around, you could just have this and you could just hang it somewhere in your room with a nail. You could just put a nail through a wall or something and just hang it over there. But I don't have a nail, so it's just I just have to use it as a tripod. Yeah. So basically guys, that's it. So I actually had trouble with this aspect, with just this aspect of trying to get it done. That is the only place I had issues with. So I think you'd have to read the manual very carefully before you set it up, because you're gonna get lost. I had to use one. Sure. So guys, I think so far so good. I have the charger too here. I think let's get right into the video and let's see what happens. So you just, this is the power button where you put and you just turn it on and off here. You could give the color temperature. Then here there is on and off, that is you can turn it off. I haven't actually connected it to a power source yet, but I would soon. I just wanted to see if everything is in session. So guys, this is the setup of the ring light that is from Zomei, which is a 14-inch ring light, and this is how it looks like. So I've always been using the natural sunlight because I have the sun coming to my room. So most of the times I often use the natural sunlight, but it doesn't help at times. So I decided to get this, and this is what I've been using for some time now. Normally when I'm supposed to take over an event, I often use this tripod, but I had to change it because it was a bit, I don't know how to put it, but it is kind of loose. Whenever I put my phone on it, it just, when the wind blows, it just falls off. Oh my god. Oh my god. So you just turn it off and turn it on. Sure. So this is where you turn the light on. You could turn it off, and I think you could regulate the temperature too from here. This is the whole thing in full. That is the charger, and I think basically that is all that came with it. Sure. So let's see how it goes with the ring light. Okay, so I was expecting the ring light to have I was expecting the ring light to have a 2 filter, as in 2 covers, but I realized it's 2 in 1, where you could turn the filter off. You could change the color like this, you could make it like this, or you could change it back into the white light. So I hope you all can see it. So this is really amazing. As I said, you could get this. Delivery was on point, everything was on point. So this is it, and this is the ring light itself. Oh my god, it's been amazing. I'll still use it though, but yay, there we have it. We have an amazing ring light, and I've showed everything to you guys. And guys, I'm loving the new features I'm having here. So let's try the different colors on and let's see how it looks like. This is my face with the white light on, and let me dim it a bit and let's see how it looks like. Okay, back to natural light. This is the highest. Oh my god, this is the highest and it burns my eye. And this is, let's change it back to the other filtered color. This is the other color that it has, and this is the highest of it. You could also lower it a bit and it looks like a normal light. And yeah, there we have it. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. Thank you for being part of it. Don't forget to leave your comments, your suggestions, anything you have to say about this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and don't forget to follow me on my social media platform, on Twitter as Kwawu Oprah Winfrey, Kwawu Oprah, and on Instagram as idol_Jackie, on Facebook as Nana Kosia Yeboah. So your girl She Jackie says, enjoy the rest of your day, and I am out.
Rush, slow touch, brown on white.